Hey guys, this is Nelson with just got my Taylor Freelance T-Mag plus 3 AR-15 extension. Um, it's a solid piece of work on there. As you can see on there, it's on a PMAG Gen 3. It's pretty solid, easy installation. When I was looking around for an extension mag, and I was looking at some other brands as well, but this one really caught my eye since I was getting some mechanic stuff. Decided to get this as well, and it only works on Gen 3 PMAGs, as you can see from there, because the way these things are opened, you go back to the rear. Because I originally have, well, we all probably have a lot of Gen 2 PMAGs where this plate goes to the front, as opposed to this one going to the rear. So to show you real quick how the installation is, pretty simple. I mean, just, you've probably seen the video from Taylor Lance Freelance video. Really straightforward. I really like the color. It looks really good with the FDE, of course, since most of my furniture for my rifle is in that color. The machine work, as you can see, it's pretty well done. It's pretty well finished. Have never, and as you can see, the grips on the bottom there. So if you decide to dig into the ground or some whatever barricade that you are, it's gonna stick a little bit on there. So it's matching that grooves on there to the PMAG, and just slide it through. Give it a good whack, and here, and there, it's on. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Really good looking piece of accessory on there. So hope to use it to in some 3-gun matches, 2-gun matches, and see how it does. I also got the T-Mag coupler as well, so we'll see how that goes. And as you can see, it's got this as a set, I think for $59, and this one came with it as well, so it was a better deal as opposed to getting this separately and buying it all separately. So as you can see with all of this, looks like it's pretty solid. It's not a piece of plastic on there as well. So definitely this is as you can see, the construction on it's pretty solid. It's not, you know, fits in right there pretty well, and tighten, and tighten up with a Allen wrench and go from there. So looking forward to getting used to this at some coming matches, and go from there. But thanks for watching. Hope this helps out for somebody who's looking to get one of these. I'll see how it does as far as when the mag's full, and during a competition, if there's any failures or anything like that. But I mean, it doesn't look like it should work out really well. Thanks.